The holidays are all about sweet indulgences, and one of our favorites is fudge. And we found a way to make it perfect for the holiday season: pumpkin. Making fudge may seem a bit intimidating, but we assure you it's really very simple. Combine white chocolate chips and peanut butter and microwave at 50% power for 1 minute. Then stir. Continue to microwave in 30-second increments at 50% power until chocolate is completely melted and the peanut butter is completely incorporated. Add in the pumpkin, spices, and vanilla and stir till completely combined. Line your 9x9 baking tin with foil and quickly pour the mixture into the lined baking dish and refrigerate overnight. Slice the fudge with a sharp knife and enjoy. Remember, life is better homemade.